It's time to upgrade your living situation, and we've got just the place for you. Introducing Abbeygate. Nestled in the heart of Chester, Abbeygate offers a fantastic collection of studios and ensuite rooms equipped with everything you need for a comfortable stay, including a cozy double bed, stylish wardrobe, study desk, ensuite shower room, and plenty of storage. Additionally, the studios also come with a modern fitted kitchen and more living space for when you have friends over. With modern amenities such as high-speed Wi-Fi, bike storage, car parking, an in-house laundry room, and 24-hour staff assistance, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Additionally, you can also host amazing dinner parties in the shared kitchen, which comes with a large dining area. And the location? Oh, it's just a 10-minute walk to the University of Chester and a 15-minute drive to the Queen's Park campus. And with the city center just a short distance away, you'll have easy access to a plethora of shops, bars, restaurants, and attractions not too far from the property. So, whether you are looking for a great base to study or for your time off, Abbeygate has everything you need and more to make your time in Chester unforgettable. Head to amberstudent.com to book this stay today.